You making dinner?
Yep.
Alright. Hello! Welcome back to Life on the French. Today, life on the fridge. Where I will be just hanging out while Stan makes me dinner. And this may be the best video idea that I have ever had, and I would not have had it without YouTube captions, so shout out to that. So stay tuned as Stan makes us dinner and I relax here on this fridge. So we figured we wouldn't just like waste a video. So Stan right now is going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes, which is a roast beef Manhattan.
This is a recipe now?
That's got to be something. Where are you going?
Peel some potatoes. Oh, I gotta turn on the water. Some water boiling. We're making some mashed potatoes, eh?
To readjust for the angle. Sucks. I feel so tall.
Yeah, welcome to Tall World.
This is taller than you, Tall World.
Yeah. I always wanted a girl who was 8'2".
You've got her.
Cutting up the potato into similar sizes for boiling. We're making mashed potatoes. Okay.
Voila. Look at those beauties.
We've got the water boiling over here, and then also I have this meat from some leftover soup, but right now it doesn't have anything on it. I'm just going to microwave it later, but for now, mind passing me the plastic wrap?
Oh, sure. How the tables have turned.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, water is boiling.
I know. I've been watching it. There's really not much to do on the fridge. Do you want me to film you putting the potatoes in?
Sure, could be a little dynamic.
Yeah, all right.
Well, there we go.
Step 2, done. It's keeping my feet warm.
Mind if I grab some ice?
Oh yeah, sure. I'm just watching a video.
Cool.
This
Well,
channel called Life on the French.
I haven't heard of it. I only know Life of the French or whatever.
Yeah, I know. It's a small channel. Small channel, really. But they post a lot of different stuff. I'm watching a hamster video now.
Oh, cool. Could you link me to a playlist about that?
Yeah, I can link it right here.
Alright, so now that you've been up there your whole life, what are the pros and cons of life on the fridge?
Well, I would say one of the pros is I have access to that pretty easily, and you know, there's not a lot to do up here, so gotta entertain myself somehow. I get to look at this beautiful artwork painted by my great-grandmother. I study it. You know, when I want to pray, I have a cross right over there. But I will say there are some downsides if you're considering, you know, changing your lifestyle to a life on the fridge. I would say, you know, you have to be ready for tiny living, you know. So I've got here about 1.5 feet by, say, 3 feet. Would you say?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
So 1.5 by 3 foot space to work with. So you gotta get creative.
Minimalistic.
Yeah. But it's not for everybody. You know, it's not for everybody.
No.
As long as you have someone who's willing to hand you everything you need, you know, then it's fine. Like, check this out. Stan, can I have some water?
Oh, yeah, sure. Here you go.
It's like I'm the queen of the castle.
Tall.
What are some other cons? Sleeping is a bit difficult up here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a little cramped.
It's a little cramped. I mean, you can, like, but I mean, it's not quite as nice as, you know, life in a bed.
Why couldn't they have called this life on the bed? What's the weather like up there?
It is very hot.
That might have something to do with it.
Yeah. But I can't complain because my dinner is being made for me, you know? I don't have to cook. And I'll link my cooking playlist here. And as I was saying before, this might be the best place for me in the kitchen. Just far away from the making of food.
You're not that far from it, but you're certainly not involved.
I'm not involved. I can hand you things.
But only like a few things. Aluminum foil, parchment paper,
Paper towels.
paper towels.
If you really needed it, I could probably get you some ice.
Thank
in
you.
Emergency.
Yes.
I can hand you a crock pot. Instant pot.
Could you? Try.
This?
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Ah! No problem.
Alright, you know that these bad boys are done when you stick a knife through them and the knife just kind of, well, there's like barely any pull. This one might. Some of them are done, some of them aren't. I'm going to go ahead and say they're all done. So let's drain this bad boy.
How much butter are you adding?
Maybe a tablespoon for that many potatoes. action. Meet this guy. Okay, now we add some milk.
It's a lot.
No, it's not.
I just don't want to be out of milk.
You have more milk in the fridge. I could also use the whole milk. You want me to do that?
No? Do you need more milk?
Yeah.
Put you in it.
Salt.
Iodized.
Is it? This does not.
Well, it's iodized salt's better for you.
Okay, then I'm going to warm these guys up and then make some toast, and it's dinner time.
Well, you gotta get the special ingredient.
Ketchup?
Yep.
It's not. I don't gotta make it ketchup.
I said you have to get it.
Out of the fridge.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll make it challenging, huh? What you've done. Ketchup. Toast.
Thank you. Very good. Yeah. I know it seems like weird, the ketchup thing. But give this a try with your leftover stew meat. It's very good. Can I help you? It's day 47 here on Life on the Fridge, and Stan's left. He's abandoned me because he doesn't approve of this lifestyle, and I don't really like it either. I just want to go back to being on the Franch. So if you could do me a favor and just subscribe to Life on the Franch, then maybe I can go back to being Life on the Franch and abandon this nonsense of Life on the Fridge. So please click subscribe. It's free. And then while you're at it, click the like button if you like this video, and comment below if you think you could survive Life on the Fridge. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this week's video this week.
this month, this 45 days.
It's 47 days. I hope you enjoyed today's video of Life on the Fridge. Tomorrow we'll be tackling another caption, so click the bell button to get notified for that. And thank you so much for watching and supporting us on this journey. And I hope you have a wonderful day wherever your life takes place at. Bye!